Hi Skin Games, Tyler Card here, checking in for week 2 of the acne category. So when I first assessed my client's skin, she presented with inflamed papules, some inflammatory pustules along the cheeks and jawline, and non-inflamed comedones across the T-zone. Her skin was extremely reactive, and because of that sensitivity, my first priority was to calm inflammation and rebuild barrier integrity before introducing any stimulation. So my 8-week plan alternates between barrier-focused treatments and oxygenating treatments. The barrier phases will help to restore lipid balance, hydration, and microbiome health, essentially rebuilding the skin's defense system. And once the barrier shows signs of resilience, that's when I'll introduce the oxygenation treatments, which will help to target C. acnes bacteria in a way that's non-disruptive to the skin barrier. I'll dive further into this in my week 4 video, but essentially oxygenation helps to increase oxygen presence in the follicle, which creates a less ideal environment for anaerobic bacteria while supporting the skin's natural healing response. However, because oxygenation can generate free radicals, it's crucial that for barrier integrity, we are replenishing antioxidant levels beforehand. So that's why I structured the weeks to alternate, ensuring each oxygenating phase is supported by a restorative phase. So in these early stages, I'm focusing on antimicrobial ingredients like tea tree, soothing agents like beta-glucan, and prebiotics to rebalance the microbiome. My goal over these 8 weeks is to create long-term change in the skin, addressing her acne while reteaching the skin how to function properly and educating my client how to maintain these results at home. I'll check in with you next week where I'll be doing a barrier-focused treatment demonstration.